The angry man. Everyone in the village knew the angry man. He walked with heavy steps, his brow permanently knotted, his voice sharp enough to cut through morning air. If a cart splashed mud near his shoes, he cursed the road. If the sun burned too hot, he blamed the sky. If the rain fell, he accused the clouds of cruelty. Step aside when he passed, as though anger itself had weight. The angry man believed the world was against him, and because he believed it, he saw proof everywhere. One evening, after shouting at a merchant and slamming his door so hard the walls trembled, he sat alone in his small house. His chest burned, his jaw ached, and yet his anger refused to leave. It circled inside him like a trapped animal. That night he dreamed. In the dream he carried a sack over his shoulder, huge, swollen, and unbearably heavy. With every step it dug deeper into his spine. He shouted for help, but no one came. Finally, exhausted, he collapsed by the road. An old man appeared and asked, "Why do you carry that sack?" "It's filled with everything done wrong to me," the angry man said. "Every insult, every injustice." The old man nodded. "Open it." Inside were stones. Each one was etched with a memory, a harsh word from his father, a betrayal by a friend, a loss he never mourned, a moment of shame he never forgave himself for. "Why keep them?" the old man asked. "They remind me to be strong," the angry man said. The old man smiled gray. "Or they remind you to be angry." The old man smiled gently. "Or they remind you to be angry." The angry man reached for one stone, then another. As he dropped them to the ground, the sack grew lighter. For the first time, he stood without pain. He woke up at dawn, breathing hard. Nothing in the village had changed. The road was still dusty, the merchants still loud, the sky still unpredictable. But that morning, when a child bumped into him and whispered a frightened apology, the angry man paused. He felt the familiar heat rise, and then remembered the sack. He let the anger fall. It didn't make the world perfect, but it made his steps lighter. And slowly, quietly, people stopped calling him the angry man.